Ancient Sumerian men and women were possibly the first to invent and wear lipstick. About 5,000 years ago, they crushed gemstones and used them to decorate the faces, mainly on the lips and around the eyes. Egyptians like Cleopatra crushed bugs to create a color of red on their lips. Women in the ancient Indus Valley civilization may have used rectangular pieces of ochre with beveled ends as lipstick. Ancient Egyptians wore lipstick to show social status rather than gender. They extracted the red dye from Fuchs alga, 0.01% iodine and some bromine mannite. But this dye resulted in serious illness. Lipsticks with shimmering effects were initially made using a pearlescent substance found in fish scales. Women in the Minoan civilization colored their lips with bright red cosmetics. Lip paint in ancient Greece was initially restricted to prostitutes and courtesans, but expanded to the upper class between 700 and 300 BCE. Greek women colored their lips with cosmetics made from dyes containing Tyrian purple, crushed mulberries, and the toxic pigment vermilion. The Chinese made some of the first lipsticks that were made from beeswax over 1,000 years ago to protect the delicate skin of the lips. During the Tang dynasty, 618 to 907 CE, scented oils were added to them, which gave the mouth an enticing factor. In Australia, Aboriginal girls would paint their mouths red with ochre for puberty rituals.